Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, December 1st. This is David, and we talked here on Monday about the NAS and its Voodoo Treeline, right? So when we talked about it then, we were bouncing from the tree line but not really making any progress. You can see that here on Thursday we broke below that level. Today we tried a few times to get above and we closed slightly above. Now this is not the cash NAS, this is the NAS futures, and I'll show you why we're looking at the futures in just a minute. The tree line level comes at a very similar spot, and this remains an important spot, an important sort of short-term over-under for the tech-heavy index. But what I want to draw your attention here to this evening are our micro Voodoo levels, right? So these are crafted a similar way to the Voodoo lines, but they're on short time frames, more intended for intraday trading. And you can see right in the same area, a little bit above that all-important tree line is the most important level in the micro Voodoo line set, and those are the fire lines, right? So you can see that here earlier in the week we ran up into a snow line, third most important of our level, came down, tested the fire line, and the reason I'm showing you this fire line is for short-term work, these are more precise, right? So the timing impact of these is going to be less significant, right? So the eventual choice above or below that tree line that we looked at earlier can hold for quite a while once the NAS shows which side of it wants to be on, right? A choice of one side or the other of the fire line may only be relevant for intraday moves. So getting above, testing, and holding above on an intraday basis can push us up into other significant lines like the snow line, where we then fell, retested a skyline, and then broke through, found support below at some snow lines, and then came and back and revisited this fire line from below today without making really a decision to stay on one side or the other. So as we start next week, I'm going to pay attention in the NAS futures to this 16,038 level, right? Now, which side it chooses to stay on may dictate which of these snow lines levels to visit next. And so you can just come in and note them here. Note the 16,038. Note that above, right, we've got 16,202 or closer to 203, 16,305 to the upside. And then the next really significant level to the upside is at 16,470, right? So if we can start climbing above 16,202, 16,304 on a short-term basis, that will suggest we're breaking away from these levels and maybe an early indication that the NAS more broadly is trying to choose the upward path away from its classic Voodoo tree line. Meanwhile, right, on the micro levels, getting below 16,873, and then the next hurdle to the downside is 15,873, and then the next hurdle on the downside will be 15,771. That would be a short-term path that says, yep, we may be getting our larger pullback that we've been looking for to start thinking about long entries. So you can note these short-term levels here. They are the ones that I'm going to be focusing on. And they will help me see if If the NAS is mapping a path away from its classic Voodoo tree line to the upside, right, or to the downside. For now, it's just oscillating to either side of these important levels and getting caught at the short-term levels, so we want to know where they are. So that's what I have here for this evening. We will see how things unfold, and I will see you at the next update. Until then, as always, good trading.
Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.